Hi, I'm Angie Briggs, and this is my family. My husband and I have been married for 18 years, and as you can see, we have 4 children. My boys are 12, 10, 8, and 8 years old, and my daughter is 6 years old. We live in Farmington, Utah, and we love it here. This is my family of origin. I'm the baby in yellow. This is a very special picture to me because it is the only picture of my whole family before my dad was diagnosed with cancer and passed away only a year later. My nuclear family thinks of my dad often as we hike, camp, and play sports together. He loved those things, and so do we. My oldest 2 sons play every sport they can, but they both prefer baseball as their #1 sport. My 3rd son is a tennis and basketball player, and my daughter dances and plays soccer. Needless to say, my husband and I are very busy keeping up with our active children. This class will be one of the very last classes I will take for my major in marriage and family studies. So in addition to helping me graduate, I hope this class will help me become a better parent, a better wife, and a better person within my own family, and also help me with those who come to me for help in my future career as a marriage and family therapist. Thanks for watching.